Yeah, never mind.
Yeah. No, that's
Not
like 30
really.
years of the water haul system.
Yeah, and it's so cheap to get water
Chris has
out
a baby
here,
duck.
so I'm just, never, not worth it.
It's only like a half mile.
Yeah, it's, if that, like it's super close, and it's super cheap, so don't even bother.
Oh, he looks. Look a little red.
I'm always red.
And the turkey. And the chicken. And the turkey. With all the babies over there. Here comes a turkey. And a chicken going into one of the coops. We are visiting our Desert Homestead farm in Rio Rancho. And they do tours once a month with just a $5 price. That includes feed for the animals, for the goats and the fowl. Complete with cacti.
Speaking of your friends from Texas, the Tapathy, I don't know if you remember Thomas and Donna.
So let's go this way. We'll see a couple of the goats.
So they are actually going to be buying those properties.
Take a little walk with me. There's some chickens hiding under the cactus for the shade. So it's a low bridge. Watch out, chickie. And looky here, we got a little goat. Little goat. Let me close this fence. And there's their little goat. It says, where's the food? You were giving me food earlier. Where'd the food go? Yep, it's all gone. How you doing? How you doing? They're so soft. Oh, little baby. And some more chickens. So this is another roost that they're under and around. And some of these animals will be eaten. And some just make eggs, and they sell eggs. They sell chicken eggs and turkey eggs and duck eggs. And I'll show you. There's some more in the shade. I don't want to make them nervous. Hello, little duckies and chickens, and a rooster and a turkey. And you can see on this cactus here, right through here, this is where a male goat likes to rub his head right up against the prickles of the cacti. So I just wanted you to see it's really beautiful out here in Rio Rancho, which is right next to Albuquerque. There are brilliant skies. And we're just out here having a good day. It's seeing all the animals. And over on the other side of that van is where the milking does are for the goats. And they have a lot of babies over there too. I see they're pecking at some greens too, some alfalfa. Which is probably really there more for the goats, but have a really good day. I hope you enjoyed the visit. And sometime this year, Chris and I will have our own dwarf goats. God bless you.